As you can see on our board, we have past tense, which we simply say in Swahili, wakati uliopita. Wakati uliopita. This is a tense which we use to explain things which already happened sometimes back. Wakati uliopita. And today we are dealing with both positive form and negative form. But it's going to be an easy one since we already did the same in present perfect tense and in present tense, both positive and negative form. If you haven't watched those videos, kindly make sure you go back, watch them, and then it will be easier for you to connect this one. So today the only thing which is going to change is the tense marker, which we are going to use li to represent wakati uliopita. Hello my good students, welcome to today's video. My good name is Millie. Jina langu ni Millie. And today we are learning about past tense. Tunasoma wakati uliopita, as I have told you earlier. If you are new here, welcome to the home of Swahili native speakers. All you have to do is to make sure you tap on the subscribe button so that you can join this amazing family. For our returning subscribers, thank you and thank you so much for always tuning in. So let's get to today's lesson. We shall go direct to our sentences. And as you can see on the board, I have simplified everything so that you can just add the li and everything will be complete. Our personal pronouns are here, subject prefix in positive form here. Our tense marker all through the sentences will be li, and then we have our verb. So let's make our first sentence. Our first sentence. Mimi. Mimi, subject prefix ni, and then our tense marker will be li, and our first verb is osha vyombo. So our sentence will be mimi nili osha vyombo. Mimi nili osha vyombo. I washed the dishes some time back. Mimi niliosha vyombo. I washed the dishes. As simple as that. So you connect the personal pronoun, the subject prefix, the tense marker, and the verb. By the way, you can do away with the pronoun and then you just start with the prefix, with the subject prefix, the tense marker, and the verb. Still the sentence will be complete. So you can say niliosha vyombo. Niliosha vyombo. I washed the dishes. Our next sentence, wewe, which means you. Our subject prefix u, and the tense marker remains li. Then the verb is imba wimbo mzuri. So let's connect this. Wewe uliimba wimbo mzuri. Wewe uliimba wimbo mzuri. You sang a very nice song. Wewe uliimba wimbo mzuri. Yes. It is very simple because you can see the personal pronouns are here, the subject prefix is here, and then tense marker remains li all through, and we fix our verbs. So our third sentence, yeye, which means him or her, a, li, tense marker, pika chakula. Yeye alipika chakula. So we say yeye alipika chakula. Just connect personal pronoun, subject prefix, tense marker, and our verb. Yeye alipika chakula. So as you can see, our tense marker is here to show us this action took place some time back. So yeye alipika chakula simply means he or she cooked the food. And then to our fourth sentence, sisi, which means we. Our subject prefix is tu, and then tense marker li, soma Kiswahili. Sisi tulisoma Kiswahili. We learned Swahili. We learned Swahili some time back. Then we have our next sentence. Nyinyi, which means you all. Subject prefix our tense marker remains li, and then we have our verb. So, nyinyi mlicheza vizuri. Nyinyi mlicheza vizuri. Nyinyi mlicheza vizuri. You played so well. And then our last sentence in positive form, we have wao, subject prefix wa, and then tense marker li for past tense, then our verb. So, wao walikuja darasani. Wao walikuja darasani. They came to class. Wao walikuja darasani. They came to class. Still, you can do away with the personal pronouns and then you just go with the subject prefix. So you can say walikuja darasani. Walikuja darasani. It is still a complete sentence in Swahili. So let's go to the negative form. Negative form. If you are getting value in this video, please make sure you give it a like and share this video with some of your friends who are also willing to learn Swahili. Let's go to negative form. Okay, let's continue with this. Past tense, wakati uliopita in negative form. Negative form. As I told you, personal pronoun remains the same. Subject prefix, as you can see on the board, they have changed. So we have si, who, her, hatu, ham, and hawa in negative form. And like in positive form, we had ni, u, a, tu, and wa. Those were the positive form. Then the tense marker for negative form is also going to change to ku. Ku. As you remember, the tense marker for positive form was li. So the one so the negative one is ku. And then our verb remains. The things which have changed, subject prefix and tense marker. So let's go direct to the sentences. You connect the personal pronoun, subject prefix, the tense marker, and the verb, just as in the positive form. So mimi siku. Mimi siku osha vyombo. Mimi siku osha vyombo. Mimi siku osha vyombo. I didn't wash the dishes. You can leave the personal pronoun out and you say siku osha vyombo. Siku osha vyombo. It is a complete sentence still. So siku is the one changing the sentence into a negative form. Negative past tense form. Our next sentence, wewe huku. Huku imba wimbo mzuri. Wewe huku imba wimbo mzuri. You didn't sing a nice song. Our third sentence, yeye hakupika chakula. Yeye hakupika chakula. Yeye hakupika chakula. He or she didn't cook the food. Next sentence, sisi, personal pronoun, subject prefix, we have hatu. And then the tense marker remains ku. Then our verb we have soma Kiswahili. So we say, sisi hatukusoma Kiswahili. We didn't learn Swahili. Sisi hatukusoma Kiswahili. Simple as that. And then the next sentence, nyinyi ham, tense marker ku, and then connect to the verb. So nyinyi hamkucheza vizuri. Nyinyi hamkucheza vizuri. You didn't play well. Nyinyi hamkucheza vizuri. You didn't play well. Then we have wao for personal pronoun. Subject prefix hawa. Our tense marker remains ku and then our verb. So we say wao hawakukuja darasani. Wao hawakukuja darasani. Wao hawakukuja darasani. They didn't come to class. They didn't come to class. Up to this point, I want to say thank you so much for tuning in and for watching up to this point. Kwaheri, I'll see you in the next class.